Hi, if you are wondering how to protect your pastel portraits well, I show you today how I frame my portraits in an easy way. Before I show you that, I invite you to join my free 3 days online drawing workshop September 2nd to 4th. I draw with you together a beautiful leopard eye and I show you how to draw detailed black and white fur. It is not only drawing lessons, it's a support community with tips and tricks and help and feedback, bonuses, fun. It's a nice experience with thousands of people. You find the link below to sign up. I would love to see you there.
So this is a pastel portrait drawn with pastel pencils and pastel sticks on pastel matte paper, size 8 to 12 inch or 20 to 30 centimeters. This portrait of this bald eagle I will now put into a mount. This is a mount with a cutout that's a little bit smaller than the portrait, so you can put the mount over your drawing. So the cutout is a little bit smaller and then the drawing is behind, and it looks beautiful, and you can then fix it at the back side with a tape. This mount has the size 30 to 40 centimeters or 12 to 16 inch, so it's always larger than your drawing and has this cutout. The cardboard of the mount is about 2 millimeters thick, and I have here chosen color white. It's also available in different colors. So then I will show you how I will fix that on the back side. I just place my mount here. I turn it around, and then on the back side of the mount I put here the drawing over the cutout, over this place here, and then I use a tape. I have here Scott Magic tape, so use a tape that you can then give over here, and then you can fix your drawing with the tape on the back side so that nothing can move anymore. You can of course use some artistic tapes too. So then on the top here, put the tape here over the drawing and fix it on the back side. Okay, so that's a short demonstration how I do this, and then you can turn around your drawing and you have here the portrait mounted, so it looks nice, nothing can happen anymore. You could then place it in a frame, so you can put a glass over it. There is air between the glass and the drawing, and it is well protected. Here I'm showing you how I am framing my pastel portraits. You can see here a portrait, a drawing with pastel pencils and pastels drawn on pastel matte paper. A tiger lying on the rock, and I have prepared the drawing and put it behind a mount. I have used here a cream mount. Here I have at the back side I have fixed it with tape, and then I have this portrait here behind the mount, and here I have a simple glass frame, a very simple one. You can also use one with wood or metal, of course. Here is the back board, the board that is on the back of the frame. Then I just place here the mounted portrait on this back board and then put the glass over it. So mount and frame should always have the same size. And then the drawing is well protected. If the glass is moving, nothing can be damaged, and because nothing can smear because we have the air between. So I always recommend to use a mount with that cut out that's a little bit smaller than your drawing, and then it is well protected, and you can put that little metal things here on and fix the glass, so you can then frame it. Just put them on the back side here so that you can see it on the camera. Turn it around and put them on here. Okay. Yes, and so let's turn it around that you can see it correctly. So, and it is well framed, and you can put it on your wall. So also your clients can do that in that way. It's very easy. When you ship your portrait mounted, they can put it in a frame by themselves. They don't have to go to a framer. So if they want to, of course, they can do that.
Okay, so I hope this framing process is helpful for you. You can do it by yourself. I love doing this for myself and put the portraits behind on my wall. You can also let it frame by a framer, so it's totally up to you. Finally, I invite you again to join my free 3-day drawing workshop, September 2nd to 4th. We will draw a beautiful leopard eye, and I show you how to draw black and white fur. It's an amazing community with thousands of artists. You get feedback, my support, tips and tricks, bonuses, prizes. So it will be fun. I hope you will join, and I hope I see you there. And then if you like my channel, in the next video, have a great time.